Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to say thank you for always watching my video. And today guys, I want to teach us how to design a movie poster design. I created this design for my boss, Coredraw Peters. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to go about this design, what I use, and all the materials I use in design, and all the materials I use in this design. So let's go straight down to the order of the day. As you can see, I've opened Coredraw and I have all the materials I'm working with on the screen. These are the actors I'm working with. You can see Nino, you can see this guy. I know some of them and I don't know some of them. And this is Coredraw Peters himself. This is Bimpe Latif's wife. And these are the materials I'm using. So I'm going to be working with this background here. So just stay with me guys. Let's go straight down to it. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is to fill in this background in the work area here and zoom it to be bigger. That's the first thing guys. Then I click on P to page it to make sure it's centralized. The next thing I'm going to do guys, based on the concept I'm working with, I'm going to be drawing a rectangle tools in the middle. Just stay with me guys. So I'm going to pick my rectangle tools here, which is F6, shortcut F6, and drew it out here. Drew it out here. Just stay with me guys. I'm going to draw it out here in the middle. Okay, just stay with me and centralize it. Can you see what I'm doing guys? Drew it out and centralize it. And after that, I'm trying to, okay, just stay with me and centralize it. So let me give it a black color. So what I'm going to be doing here guys, I'm going to change the background to black because that's what I'm working with. This is the initial color. It's more like a brown kind of a color, but the client requested that I change it to black. So don't forget, I pick my rectangle tools here and I give this one a black color. So I drew it like this. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to convert this guy here to black. So how do you go about that? You go to your bitmap here and go to your mode. Can you see? Go to your mode and you come to dot tone. Then you click on your dot tone. You see Pantone. You double click on it and you click on black. Process Pantone process black. Click on it and click on OK. Then you click on your OK here. Can you see it? That is the second stage. So the next I'm going to do now, the black is not rich enough, so I'm going to come back to my bitmap and auto adjust it. Can you see now? The black just comes out well. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now guys is to arrange the pictures we are working with. So the first picture I'm working with is this lady here. She's the one in the middle. Can you see it? And the second picture I'm going to be working with in this design is this guy here. Is the one beside her. So let me page up the lady. You hold down your shift on the keyboard and click on page up. So this guy is behind her. So I hide his face behind this black thing here. So let me page up the black thing so it can be behind it. Can you see it? So his head is a bit inside that rectangle, that black fill. So the next person here is Nino. So if you are arranging a poster design, you have to be very careful. I mean, there's a way you arrange it whereby it won't look nice, and there's a way you arrange it that it look nice. So what I'm trying to do is, I want the picture of the second person to be lower than the first person. So you can see I just reduced Nino now. So I'm going to page it down. It's below the background, so I'm going to page down the background too. Don't forget, you hold down your shift and click on page down on your keyboard. Now Nino is down, so let me increase it a bit now. So let me adjust the picture. So I need Nino to be a bit closer. His face is covered. I need it to be a bit obvious. Or let me just take this one a bit inside. It's too much. Now can you see? I can see Nino and I can see the guy, but let me take the guy up a bit. I need the guy's picture to be a bit more obvious than Nino, like taller. That's the concept I'm working with. So the face is a bit obvious now. Let me take it down a bit. So the next part is this side. So I'm going to be having Coyote Peters here, this left side here. So I'm going to page it down. Don't forget, as usual, it's below the background now, so I'm going to page down the background too. Can you see it now? So I'll just page down the background and it appears. I mean, Coyote Peters is perfect the way it is, like that. It's perfect. Let me just take it a bit inside because of the hand here. Stay with me, guys. It's a very simple poster design and it's very nice. So the last person here is Bimpe. So I'm going to take her inside also. Take her inside and page it down. Don't forget, you hold down your shift and you click on page down. So I'm going to go down to my background now and page down my background so she can show. So I'm going to page down the background now. I've clicked on the background already. Can you see? I just page down the background. As you can see, Bimpe happens to be upper. So I'm going to take her down. Don't forget the concept. I want the person in front to be taller. But now it's like Bimpe is a bit taller. So I'm taking her down. The concept is the person in front have to be a bit taller than the person at the back. So let me take her down a bit. Can you see what we have, guys? That's the first step. Now I just arrange the pictures. Very simple. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now, guys, I'm going to come here, click on my rectangle tools also, shortcut F6, then drag it like this and draw it out like this. And I'm going to give this one a black color. I'm trying to arrange where we have the right tops and the rest. So after giving the black color, I'm going to go to my transparent tools here, click on my transparent tools, then fade it out. Click on it and fade it out so it could blend with the image. Now I just faded it out. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to drag it up a bit so the fading can sink into the pictures. Can you see what we have, guys? So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to arrange the right top and the logo, and that is it. So just make sure you watch the video to the end so you see how I go about this, guys. So this is the logo of my boss, KP Press. So I'm going to be putting the logo here. It's just a small logo. I'm going to be putting the logo here. So I have all the right top already, so I don't need to retype so you guys can, so the tutorial won't be boring. I have the right top already. So the first right up here is the series. The movie is a series on Africa Magic, and this font is Agency FB. That's the font I use here. So I'm going to put it here, the series, and give it a white color. And let me centralize it properly so you can see it very well. The series, that's what I have up there. The next thing is the title of the movie called Murewa. I have it here, Murewa. So I'm going to be using this font for it. Juicy font, GCITC, that's the name of the font, GCITC. So I'm going to give it a white color also and give it a white outline, white color and a white outline. So I just increase the name. Can you see the title? That's the name of the title. So I just increase the title. Let me take it up a bit because I have other information that will come below. So I'm going to be taking other information. The first one is directed and produced by Coyote Peters. So I'm going to give it a white color, remove the outline, give it a white color. Let me zoom it so you guys can see. Can you see it? So make sure you arrange it very well and everything should sink into each other. So I'm going to centralize it now. Centralize the name and the title together. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to pick the other right up here when the show is starting February 1st, which that was yesterday. So I'm going to be using a different color for the first, so the audience can understand the message. So I'm going to come here, color area here, and give it a light yellow so it can project more the February 1st. Can you see it? Showing 6 p.m. weekdays, Monday to Sunday. And the last thing I'm going to be doing now is to pick the logo of the African Magic that is displaying, which the program will be head. This is African Magic, guys. I pick the logo and centralize the logo below it here. I think I need to take this right up. The logo is too big. Let me take it up a bit. Can you see what we have, guys? So now I'm going to put the logo here and centralize it. Then increase the black fill a bit because I've taken them up a bit. And fade it more. Still showing, and fade it more. Now let me centralize this one. Centralized and centralized and centralized and centralized. Guys, we just designed a movie poster in less than 5 minutes. Let me put it that way. It's not even up to 5 minutes. So see what we have, guys. So sweet and simple. I didn't use too many fonts. I didn't use too many shadows or whatever. Simple movie poster design. You can try this out. If you need any of the resources, you can go online to download your pictures, and you can just come up with something amazing like this. Trust me, it's very easy if you follow the step by step the way I just explained. Trust me, you can also achieve it. So try it out. Let me hear your feedback on the comment section, and if you have any question, guys, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm going to reply all your questions.